the Baking Diva. I wanted to come on board for a couple of minutes and wish everyone a very happy Mother's Day. Maybe you're a mother, maybe you're a grandmother, maybe you're a stepmother, a mother of a fur baby, anyone who has the role of a mother. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, my daughter's here. Let me see if she'll come over and hop into the shot here. Hi, Dawn.
Oh, hi, everybody.
This is Dawn. I'm the mother, and this is the daughter team. I am the big diva, and that's the little diva.
Happy Mother's Day,
yes,
everybody.
I trained her well. I trained her well. Well, we're just going to do a very short few snippets of Mother's Day, and we're also celebrating Dawn's 50th birthday. It was May 4th, but we're celebrating today with the family. Her mother-in-law's birthday, Phyllis, is May 3rd, and my grandson Aaron's birthday is May 16th, and he's turning 16. So we're celebrating Mother's Day today and all 3 birthdays. So anyway, don't go away. You will not want to miss this, and I'll see you in a few. Doodle! There's the cameraman over here behind his Guinness bar. You having a good time, cameraman?
So far.
I hope you can hear this because we have 4 crazy kids back there making a lot of noise.
I think we should dismiss them.
There's Grandpa's try to zoom in his shot collection from different places he's been. And he's been to Ireland, so he has a few of his Irish things back there.
And
And what?
England.
Oh, in England, that's right. All right, Grandpa, so you bartending today?
No.
Why not? Then why are you behind the bar?
I was just getting some.
Oh, you're getting some. All right, bye. Toodles.
Toodles.
Here's the boys, the crazy boys. 2 of them have, 3 of them have Hawaiian shirts on. Jake's wearing pineapples. Jason's wearing, what's on your shirt, Jason?
Koi.
Oh, koi fish. Aaron has an Islander shirt on. And Kyle
My classic pink shirt.
has a pink shirt on. They're all done eating, they have full bellies, and they're hanging out here as boys and men will watching a game. Look at these absolutely gorgeous hanging plants. Oh my God, they are so heavy you can barely lift them up. Aren't they beautiful? Phyllis and Jerry brought one for me and one for Dawn for Mother's Day. Oh, this is going to look so pretty hanging up outside. Pink, yellow, purple, look at them, white. Try to zoom in. Those flowers are gorgeous. So pretty. Thank you, Phyllis and Jerry. Can't wait to put mine out on my new patio. I hung up a little banner across the living room and dining room for Dawn's birthday, along with Phyllis and Aaron. It says, happy birthday. I was very disappointed. I went up the street to the store last night to buy balloons, and they told me they're out of helium. So that was insane. I had to buy these 2 little things to put in a vase for now. Crazy, crazy. Well, I'm back, and everybody has full tummies. Did you enjoy the food, Dawn?
I did. It was delicious.
So now we have the birthday cake. We're going to sing happy birthday to everybody in a couple of minutes. But look at this. We're doing a ice cream bar today. So I'm going to get this all set up. We have peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter topping, and chocolate and fudge and caramel. We have marshmallow, peanut butter cups, cookies, and we can't forget
The best.
maraschino cherries.
My
And I have
favorite.
whipped cream downstairs. I have to get that. And little gummy worms.
Do I see wet walnuts?
Yes, and we have here walnuts in syrup, sprinkles, and we're going to make them in some waffle bowls.
I can't wait.
So we'll be back when we have all of this set up. And
Alrighty.
everybody's making their sundae. So stay tuned. Well, Dawn and I set up the ice cream bar, so let me show you everything a little better before I call everybody upstairs. We have mini M&Ms and little mini Oreos And those fudge stripe cookies and gummy worms. And of course back there we have chocolate marshmallow ice cream, chocolate peanut butter, and chocolate chip cookie dough. And here we have little chocolate chip cookies. Sprinkles. You have to have sprinkles, right, Dawn?
Oh yeah.
Peanut butter cups. Maraschino cherries. Whoops, somebody's stealing one. And walnuts and syrup. And here's our little waffle cups. We're going to make them in. And we have hot fudge, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, and peanut butter syrup. Oh, and let's not forget, whoops, the marshmallow fluff and the whipped cream. So I'm going to call everybody up in a second and we'll video them making some of their sundaes. So stay tuned. Here we go. We're singing happy birthday to Dawn, Phyllis, and Aaron. Oh, look! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friends. And Dawn and Aaron. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. All three of you make a wish. Come on, everybody blow out the candles.
Ready?
Ready, set,
Go!
Woo! Oh, yay!
What a cool candle!
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
All right.
And it plays music.
Yeah, and it's gonna keep playing too. Look, put the light on. Look, see? Plays Happy Birthday.
That's very cute.
Isn't that cute? Yeah. I bought one for a friend of mine when I did a video for her, and I loved it.
I didn't know it was going to be like. Was that
Woo! Okay. Okay, everybody's making their sundaes. The boy. Oh, there's Lucas. Lucas, you're getting what? Chocolate marshmallow?
I want
In your
you to
little
use
cup?
candle. Can you like text it to me?
Is this?
I'll never get
That's
enough.
marshmallow fluff.
Big
Very nice.
You know what I need over here, right?
What?
All right.
Over here.
I dumped those in and I said Aaron's gonna take all those disgusting gummies.
I think when we go down to the shore, we're going to bring these down and make an ice cream bar down there
He
too.
wants a bit more.
Because he wants a bigger bowl.
No, I don't want it. I'm not gonna eat it. That's why I get
Oh,
it.
why? It's yummy.
No, it's not.
What are you putting on yours, Lucas? Just
Oh, is that the
cream over there.
I'm not eating it.
I don't know.
Grandma,
What?
can you put a piece of cake in here?
Oh, you have to get a knife to cut the
I'm
cake.
sure you can.
If you want to, you can, yeah.
Plate.
Aaron, that looks disgusting. Looks good.
Aaron always takes the
Oh,
gummy
look at
crap.
this plate.
Oh, let's see. Aaron, tip your
done?
bowl a little, Aaron. Let me see.
not
if you're
done yet,
Oh, you're
Grandma.
not. Oh, look at the whipped cream Lucas put on there.
A big wad of peanut butter in the middle of this.
Oh, Aaron's putting a little of everything.
Grandma.
Huh? Oh, that is a lot. You gonna put sprinkles on there?
Gonna marry me?
There's sprinkles over there on the right,
Grandma.
Lucas.
Can I have
Why does he have to shake it?
Fluff off.
bag so I can crush the Oreos?
Well, I'm filming now. If you want to go get one over there, you can in the drawer.
I've never bought it, but when I took the cap off, it looked very
Well,
square.
Jake's happy to see that peanut butter topping. Ooh.
Mom, it made no difference.
What are you gonna have, Gramps?
Yeah.
Probably nothing.
Oh, please.
I'll get it.
I think the ice cream bar is a hit.
Do I cut the cake with this or
Want
this?
to go up with me?
You still want that one. That other one.
Grandma, there's no bag.
No, not there. They're in the drawer, Lucas.
And take syrup if you don't want it. Hot fudge tastes so much better.
Grandma, where?
Over there.
was gonna
Second
say.
drawer on the bottom.
This one?
I
Stay.
wanted to see someone take a bite out of the bowl.
Ooh, is that hot fudge or chocolate syrup, Jake?
Hot fudge.
Food.
Hot fudge. I like that.
Very nice.
You know what?
Spoons are on the table.
Okay, let's do it. I was
Here's
gonna
the
crush
chocolate
them.
peanut butter if she wants.
Who likes the idea of the ice cream bar? You do. Aaron, you like the ice cream bar?
You're gonna eat
Yeah. All right.
Leave it.
That's for the cake, but she doesn't have to, use it for cake. Whatever she wants.
Do
you want-
You want a piece of cake, right?
Oh, Lucas is crushing up his Oreos.
Are you making a blizzard? Making a blizzard?
Eat one of those things.
Look at this. Oh, what's Dawn making over here? Oh, peanut butter and chocolate with sprinkles and M&M's.
Hot fudge.
And hot fudge. Woo-hoo.
And I'm gonna take a lot of cherries.
Almost missed chocolate.
Because you know how I feel.
Oh, look at Lucas putting all his crushed
What kind of ice cream are you having?
Oreos on his mound of whipped cream. This was such a great idea. If any of you have a get-together, do
You're
an
gonna have
ice
some
cream
wet
bar.
walnuts?
I think everybody has a good time with the ice cream bar. I mean, who doesn't like ice cream, right? Right.
Taking long. Oops. No, listen. Grandma.
Whipped cream, that I know.
Look what Kyle's making.
I'm gonna make it.
Very ingenious. He took a waffle bowl and put a
Are you
piece
putting
of the
that on
birthday
the
cake
side,
in it.
With
With Oreos. Very
Put
clever.
it on a plate
Oh,
in
there's
case it goes.
Papu making
Where'd you get
something
the
over
spoons?
there. They're behind you, Lucas, on the table.
Put it on the
Oh,
plate,
there's
too.
Uncle
Get plate.
Jason.
Get put it in the
Jason,
plate.
what happened? Your bowl broke?
I,
Oh,
had an accident.
no.
I
He's
squeezed it.
He's so strong.
He was being too manly.
He has so many
Yeah.
muscles that he broke the
He's so
waffle
manly.
bowl.
Couldn't handle it.
Yeah, I almost broke the waffle bowl.
Really? Oh. Well, I'm happy. This is a good idea.
What? Maybe in that face.
Alrighty. Scott's waiting online to make his.
Okay.
Oh boy.
It's on
That
your
was all.
shoes.
Well, this is enough excitement for one day.
Tomorrow I go back to no sugar.
Everybody's happy campers. Woohoo!
Purchase it over again.
And the candle over there plays Happy Birthday. It's still playing. I think it plays until you disconnect the wire or something. Yeah.
It is still playing.
Yeah.
You want it?
Dawn, see if anybody wants cake. We should cut a
I'm
couple of
serving my own
slices.
birthday
Here,
cake.
here.
Oh, well, I'm filming.
Thanks, pal.
Oh, Jerry got cake or ice cream on his pants.
Somebody threw cake at me. Myself.
Uncle Scott's taking a turn now.
Good job.
Oh, he's heading for the chocolate
make
peanut
it
butter
so
cup
good.
ice cream. He likes that. Woohoo!
Thing is still.
Okay. How is it, Dawn?
Delicious.
Very good?
Never met ice cream I didn't like.
Very good. Letting all my guests go first and then I'll make mine.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it.
I know Scott likes the peanut butter, right, Scott?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Take as much cake as you want.
Yes, we have a lot of
There's gonna
cake.
be a lot left over.
That is so.
This is turning out to be a very nice Mother's
What's in
Day,
the middle
right?
of that cake?
I think it's chocolate
Looks like a
mousse,
chocolate-
maybe, like a mousse or something.
Looks like
Yeah.
a moose.
Okay. Alrighty. All this
Oh,
excitement.
are these the low
Yes, those are all over.
carb?
Here's the chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream
entire
over
bar.
here. I think I pretty much got everybody making their sundaes now. Oh, Scott, what are you putting hot fudge on there?
Cold fudge, actually.
Cold fudge. Well, you can put it in the microwave. All right. Cameraman's making his way over. Come on, cameraman. Make yourself something yummy. All right.
Something yummy for the tummy.
That's right.
Timmy.
Timmy.
Timmy
All
tummy.
right. Well, I'll be back. Gonna make myself one now. Toodles. Scott and Aaron have set up my table in the back porch, and they're playing. What's the game?
Hot darts.
Pop darts.
I'm gonna order this now.
Whoa, not exactly sure how it works, but they're having fun playing it.
Oh, come on.
Woo!
Three, eh?
There's Uncle Scott and Aaron. Woo! Playing their dart game. And who will be the winner? Woo! Woo, 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 woo. They've rearranged my placemats.
Oh, wow.
So you get addition
And I don't know
It's plus two.
what the object of the game is, but looks like they're having fun. Oh, there's Uncle Jason and Aaron, another competition with the cards. Woo!
What if I knock that down? Then there'd be no points for any.
Oh, now Antoine is playing the
Oh, I just looked at him.
dart game.
Good try, dear.
Woo!
Whoa.
Did I win?
This game seems to be
Do I
popular,
get 4
huh?
points?
Taking you outside for a few minutes. I have my grandson Jake and my other grandson Kyle playing basketball in the driveway. Whoa, good shot, Jake. Woo! Whoa, another good shot. Maybe you should be playing basketball. Oh. Go for 3. Oh, come on, Kyle, your turn. Woo! All right. Turned out to be a beautiful day today. Woo! All right, almost, Kyle. Oh.
Rebuttal. For the views.
Oh, good shot. Well, the kids have moved into the back now, and now they're playing soccer. Nice, we have a big backyard for them to play in.
There's just no air in it. Don't kick it over.
Oh, there's Lucas. He's here. He just got here. He arrived from his soccer game and they won. What was the score, Lucas? 4-3? Oh, they beat the first place team. That's great. Whoa, good catch, Kyle.
I'll be on someone's team.
Whoa. Uh-oh, in the neighbor's yard. Hoo-hoo. Don't climb the fence. Dawn opened up her birthday present, and over there she has a Ninja air fryer. Woo! Phyllis has some beautiful dish towels. Hold them up, Jerry. They say, let me focus in there. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner at Nana's Kitchen. Cooked with love. And she has some goodies over there, some chocolate. Oh, and lottery tickets. Candy, chocolates. Oh, yeah. All right. And I got a
Nice
gift card from Scott. And Dawn and Jason gave me a gift card to get a pedicure. So I'm all set for the summer. Right? Right.
You had to teach Timmy how to give a pedicure.
No thanks.
I'd like to see Timmy.
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry,